if we talk about discovery, what is
Mhm.
the, expected or minimum infrastructure size to start discovery or to at least go for discovery? There are various clients available, right? Small,
Mhm.
medium, and large. So any
Yes.
expected infrastructure size, number of
You would
infrastructure
most
components?
Sure. You would most likely want to be a medium-sized company with a medium-sized level of infrastructure. And this can also be cloud-based infrastructure as well. The reason for that is you need the value of implementing discovery, purchasing discovery, and then maintaining it to be worth it. So if we're tracking, I run a small firm. So I would not need discovery to detect the 3 computers I use and the 1 router. I don't need that. It just wouldn't add enough value to automatically discover it. I can detect that myself, log it, etc., and enter it manually into ServiceNow. I'm not saying if you don't use discovery, you still can use the CMDB. Discovery is just auto-populating it. So that medium sized is kind of the first part or the first level, I would say, to consider it. Then we would need to look at how much would it cost to purchase, implement, and then maintain discovery, and evaluate that against the value we would get out of it. In some cases, discovery can reduce the infrastructure team's workload, by 50% because they don't have to go into Excel and maintain everything manually. If they just trust the job runs and updates the record in ServiceNow, that frees them up from doing manual work that is lower value, and then allows them to become more strategic, or perhaps they can take on a project and that adds value. So it's a value question that it turns the decision into a business question rather than an IT. It isn't can we, it is should we, and here's why we should or should not.
Okay.